The next useful function that we have in Outlook is Quick Access Toolbar. Now, Quick Access Toolbar is actually used to quickly access to any function that you want in Outlook, but it is under our different menu. For example, if I find in all tabs and found a function of reminders window within view tab. Now I don't want to look each menu again and again for this reminders window to open, and also I don't want to remember the menu. So what I can do is I will just right click on it and click on add to access toolbar. Now you can see on the top of the screen I have this reminders window. Whenever I want to open the reminder, I don't need to check it in the menus. I can simply access it from here. Similarly, all the other functions that you need on a regular basis, you can add it to the quick access toolbar. Like, I'll right click on new email and add it to quick access toolbar. Here it is added. So that's how you can use quick access toolbar to create shortcuts of the functions you need the most.